Hi guys, I'm so happy to be back and able to paint again. I'm really sorry about not being able to post any videos while I was away, but as I said, I'm really excited to be back and to show you how I created this painting. I'm going to be doing a swipe to create a nice sunset colored background, and then I'll paint on a few details to try and create the look of a desert sunset. To prepare the paints for the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors. This is going to help create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe. I'm giving each of them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. I'll list all the paint colors, ratios and supplies in the description box so you can find all those details there. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in to do the swipe. With the painting dry, I'm using a black Posca pen to outline a design that I've already sketched on in pencil. Here I'm using a brown Posca pen, and I'm using a black Posca pen again here. I'm painting this section using raw sienna. And I'm painting everything else ivory black. Once all of this dries, I'll give it a second coat of paint just to ensure that it has really good coverage. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. I like the nice bright colors and the contrast of that against the black. Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks as always for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.